Video walks through the steps to upgrade to the new MSIX version of Trailblazer. To do this, you'll open up a web browser, navigate to our homepage, trailblz.com, click on Download Center, click the first link to download and install Trailblazer, click Get the App, open the file. You can have this box checked. To launch when ready, click Install. The app will launch, and the first time you log in, you can put in your credentials, and you will also be asked for your database name. I've already entered mine. If you don't have yours, contact our tech support team and we can provide it. That will go in the database name field. You can leave the workspace name blank, and it will automatically fill in. Once you do have that information entered, plug in your credentials and log in. Once you're successfully logged in, you can right-click and pin the app to your taskbar for easy access, or anytime you need to launch Trailblazer in the future, you can click the Windows Start button, type in the word Trail, and launch it from that menu. You can also uninstall any old versions of Trailblazer at this point. To do that, you'll click the Windows Start button, start typing in uninstall. That will bring up your programs and features. Wait for that to load. Search the keyword trail. And if you have any old versions of the software, you can uninstall them from this area.